Very good morning to all. First of all, I have to say thanks to Jitendra Singh ji, Deputy Secretary General, and also the experts on the panel, Shri Nitin Jain ji, Mr. Saurabh Jain, and Sri Kriti Kurana, and Shri Madhavendra Singh, and also the Bhavna Singh. So, myself, Dr. Chalumuri, Director, Central Road Research Institute. I joined as a scientist in 2001 in Central Road Research Institute, and basically I am a civil engineer and did a transportation planning and route and reliability analysis in a PhD. So I would like to present our mainly on drones, transportation infrastructure, shaping the future from planning and highways, various highways. So if you see the journey, I started my journey in a diploma in civil engineering 1990. So you see the survey technologies at the time. The survey technologies are started with the simple dumpy level and plain level survey. Before that, I would like to give brief background about the Central Road Research Institute. We have 7 R&D divisions: traffic engineering and safety, transportation planning, geotechnical engineering, flexible payment division, rigid payment division, bridge infrastructure engineering, and then we have the payment evolution division. So coming to our digital era. So if you see the traditional survey instruments, it was started about the plane table and dumpy level, 1990. You see. So Nitin Jain mentioned about the physical AI and digital AI. The AI started in 1960 in the world. So at that time there is only the simple problem of and/or problems. The main AI started in civil engineering in 1980 and application started in 1990. So, but I started my journey in AI in 1999 when I was a master student. So now you see at that time writing a programming and computational kind of thing, it is very tough at that time. Now you see the data collection, extraction, computational, you have a lot of facilities. There are so much changes, particularly in the last 20 years. So we are very lucky that we can have the AI kind of technologies, particularly the brain functionality, the mimic of the artificial intelligence is just like a brain functionality. आपको जो बच्चे होते हैं छोटा बच्चे, इनको तो बोल देते हैं जो मदर ने explain करता है, this is a pen and pencil, training, that is a training. So what kind of algorithms are built the human brain? So the chemical reaction was happening in the brain that was copied by mathematically. So and we are doing the same application. These algorithms were started in 1970. So now it was full-fledged level. It was going in every applications, not only in one particular engineering. So all medical engineering everywhere we have started. So coming to transportation-related problems. Transportation-related problem mainly you might have seen the problems in traffic engineering. So you can see most of the roads are congested, and also other planning, city level planning, drainage problems. So if you want any kind of study, so you need a survey. The survey is a cumbersome exercise. If you want to do surveys, at the time British Survey of India, they started with the traditional way, the total station kind of things are at the plane table survey. So now replaced with the drone survey. If you want to do the survey and enter the city, it will take in a month's time. At the time years. So this is the beauty of the advanced techniques. So any kind of city planning, you need a survey. So AI-based drone survey is one of the survey replacement of the traditional one. So coming to another approaches are there in a traffic intersection. So for example, you have any signals are there. So signal optimization. For example, any emergency cases are there. Ambulance is going on. So you want to give particular direction the traffic sign. Traffic signal to open. Either convert to red to green. Automatic signalization system based on the priority based signal system. So then you need a traffic volume counting at the intersection. This can be possible by manual method. It will take a week time to extract the data and everything. So in a drone you can get the data online, and also you have to classify the vehicle. You have to estimate the volume of the vehicle. You have to do kind of the remedial measures particular location. So this is the advantage of the drone kind of things. So and also not only that one, the movement of the vehicle. So the tracking of the vehicle. So movement of the vehicle based on the Bluetooth technology and also AI-based technology it can be done. Already these techniques or applications are already using in many advanced countries. Even India also started tracking of the vehicle at the intersections and roundabout. Coming to another area that most of the problems in Delhi is the traffic condition and also parking problem. In Delhi, आपको any road you have go through that one on-street parking. On-street parking is 20% of roads are occupied by the on-street parking. If you remove the major enforcement at the particular location, so the 20% area will be like cleared, and that will be additional facility that most of the traffic condition will be reduced if you enforcement parking on most of the corridors. So for this parking also, you can able to identify the vehicle and also number plate technology mechanism, recovery mechanism, everything can be possible by using the artificial intelligence, by drone and other kind of techniques. So another area also parking, advanced level parking. You can also see the parking reliability. For example, you want to go any marketplace, you want to see the area of the location. For example, if you visit Lajpat Nagar, any Saturday and Sunday, it is very difficult to get a parking at the particular area. So if you made a programming like that, any parking slots, and also linking with the drone kind of the monitoring and automated monitoring, centralized monitoring. So you can able to identify that there is a space is available, then only you plan to go Lajpat Nagar, otherwise you postpone your trip. So this kind of the reliability based parking studies, reliability based studies is very much important for the cities like Delhi. So another area is real-time mobility management. Mobility management, these days in Andhra state government started survey of all panchayats, all everything by the drone. So they mapped in the road. So 1947, before 1947, Britishers have planned on the like records of the e-boomi and every portals, now replaced with the like drone survey. So I visited recently 2 months back a village. So there I surprised that if you put your staff down and automatically the coordinates will be known, you can area of the plot and everything can be possible. This is the changes from last 50 years. So this kind of the technology, this technology is most reliable and also accuracy of the thing. For example, the accuracy is plus or minus 2 cents. So this is the beauty of the advanced technologies. So not only for the like panchayats, you can be able to do for the landscape planning, like land use planning in most of the urban areas. This can be useful for the study of master plans and any kind of the complex mobility plans of the any kind of the city. So I did an analysis, alignment design, hill terrain, 17,000 feet again. Height of the like roads are the 17,000 feet in Leh Ladakh area. This to India-China border. We have collected the data by using the drone first time in 2018, and we have analyzed the surface modeling and distant terrain model, and we have designed alignment in high altitudes. So this is the first case study we have done, and other various applications and highway infrastructure we have used in the drone, particularly in the case of the highway bridge engineering, bridge inspection using challenges. Most of the like bridges here has done the health monitoring. Health monitoring of the bridges is very tough by manual approaches. For example, in the middle of the span, in the river and any kind of big infrastructure places, it is very difficult to monitor by 2 months. So if you have the drone kind of technology, it was developed by Dr. Naveen Singh. She is here. She will explain about the drone applications in the like health monitoring of the bridges. More than 6,000 bridges in India, so CSIR does the health monitoring. But recently we have developed this one like drone-based bridge health monitoring systems. So this is mainly so this is a bridge inspection using the drone. And Dr. Naveen, can you explain like your video?
So basically, when we are talking about drone technology for the structural health monitoring or the condition assessment of bridges. So for visual inspection today, drones have been very well established. It has conventionally been accepted all over. But when we are talking about the tests, non-destructive tests of the structures, specifically concrete structures, is nothing available. So we have also started work in that particular direction. We also started with visual inspection, and then we have come up with this device which we have developed on our own from the scratch itself. So that device is built in a way that it can give us the grade of concrete, compressive strength of concrete, and the quality of concrete. If there are any distresses in the structure, it is able to tell us. Because for steel structures, drones are available for the non-destructive testing of steel structures, but nothing is available for the concrete structures. So we have developed that. So with this device, also give us the natural frequency of the structure, the depth, if there are any cracks, the depth of the crack and the quality of concrete. Like if sometimes you are not able to see the distresses which are inside the concrete. So this device is able to do that as well. So next slide please. These are the progressive, when we put the device, WinSD device, we are calling it as WinSD, Vibro Integrity Sensing Device, when it was installed on the drone. So these are the different versions of the drone which we started working on. We have called it as YU, WinSD Aerial Inspection Unit. And next slide please. So this is finally the version which we have also kept in the exhibition hall. If somebody is interested, we all welcome you all to visit our stall of CRI. So you can see the device, that WinSD device installed on the drone. It goes and touches the surface of the structure and it creates an impact. It has a small impactor ball. It creates an impact and the sensors capture the data. So that data is then calibrated to give us the compressive strength, quality of concrete, natural frequency, and if you put these sensors across the crack, it will give us the crack depth as well. So these are some of the glimpses of the data. Software has been developed to extract the useful data out of those readings which we are taking. This is showing the repeatability of results for different tests. And then these are some of the tests which we did in the Ghaziabad flyover. In NCR, we did the testing for three structures in NCR and also 5 structures in the standalone condition in Andaman. These are some of the glimpses of those results. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. And thank you very much, because this technology was transferred already. So anybody interested to join the CRI, you can join. And also we can not only this one drone technology application, the bridges, we are doing the alignment design. We are also using the early warning system of the geotechnical engineering, and also would like to apply in future with anybody who would like to collaborate with any technology jointly for any kind of civil engineering applications. You are welcome. This is a platform to mutually sharing the startup companies and research organizations. With this, thank you very much for giving opportunity to the organizers. Thank you all.